Hello and welcome to week 1 of Statistics 1. For this week there are 3 main tasks. Number 1 is to make sure that you secure a textbook. It could be either the paper version or if you like an ebook, that's fine. In the textbook, I would take time this week to read Chapter 1, pay attention to the vocabulary being used. Also, Chapter 1 just gives a nice foundational set of information, a context to what we're going to be doing moving forward. It's not heavy, but it does lay a strong foundation for what we are going to do the rest of the course. The second task is to assure that you are set up in the Slack discussion space and participate in the little introduction and discussion associated with stats in your role. And the third task is, you can see it's outlined here as far as to complete the math review. But to access that, you go to page 2 here and download this PDF. It's basically it's not a statistics review as much as it is a review of some math content that you either use regularly or you haven't seen in a while. But it's foundational content in mathematics that is used within statistics. It's not meant to be a challenge as much as take some time to review the content. If you have any questions, you can either email me directly, you can email each other, and you can definitely use the this Slack discussion space. And pick the channel, for example, general, if you choose, like so, to have questions for each other as far as the material that's in that. And you're going to submit that as an attachment here. Realize that you can add comments here to any submissions. These comments go directly just to me. They don't go to the rest of the group like they do in the Slack discussion space. And that's it for week 1. Good luck and welcome. And again, if you have any questions here on the startup, feel free to ask. Thank you.